Morning students. In last class we completed exercise 6.2. Now we'll study about 6.3. Nothing special, but in this exercise we will learn that when more than two inequalities will be given, and when we'll draw or find out the solution on a single graph, how we can find the feasible area, how we can find the solution. So nothing new. Let's look with a example that I want to tell you. Look at it is example number 13. I'm telling you. Solve graphically, it is 5x plus 4y less than 40, x greater than 2 and y greater than 3. This is these three are inequalities, and we are told to solve. So what is our main duty? We will represent all the solution on single graph, and let's look what is the solution. What is a common region? And common region will be the solution. Okay, let's look. We start the solution taking, we have a first inequality 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 40, less than or equal to 40. Its corresponding equation is 5x plus 4y equal to 40. Whenever you want to make the solution or graph or graphical representation of any inequality, you have to take first equation, meaning equal to sign, and then take a use a so-called concept to draw the line. Put the values as usual. I taught you when x equal to 0, y will be 4 tens are 40, and when y will be 0, x will be 8. Now we can start the picture also. This is x and y, x dash and y dash, and we have to represent till 10. So we will manage to take the scale. So definitely we will start with our this is a 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, and we'll write a scale here that 1 centimeter equal to 2 unit on both axes. Now we can start to plotting the point. 0, 10 is here and 8, 0 is here, and we start and we draw the line. This is the 5x plus 4y equal to 40. But this is not the main thing. The main thing is your your required solution or region is either upside or downside. So we will check only. We will check. Take arbitrary point, and point is always such a point which do not lie on the line, which is origin point. And put here in inequality, I want to write inequality and put here 0, 0, 40. Whatever you got 0 less than 40, which is a true. And when it is a true, meaning we have to shed the region below the line because it contains the origin point, because origin actually satisfied the given inequality. So towards the origin point, the shaded will be you have to mark it. Okay. So this is just for this particular. Now the rest two is x greater than 2 and y greater than 3. It is nothing to make special. You don't have to write also. You also can write just give indication only, taking x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. This is none else but it is line parallel to y-axis, and this is line parallel to x-axis, and this is enough because it carries only single variable. We don't need to make by this concept because it was carrying two variable, so that we need to draw the line and we need the box to draw the line. But this time only this was showing x equal to 2 we took here instead of greater than or equal to sign, I took equal to sign, and it was representing the line parallel to y-axis. You can draw here x equal to 2, line parallel to y-axis. This is a y-axis, and this is x equal to 2, line passes from 2. Look at this is none else, so it is line x equal to 2. But we have actually to represent either the right or the left is our feasible region or required region. So we can read here x greater than 2. So where is x greater than 2? It's a right side. X greater than 2, 2, 4, 6 and something like that. So we don't have to take any arbitrary point for checking that. It was single variable, and when single variable is there, we can simply give the answer. So this is the x greater than 2. And when we talk about y greater than or equal to 3, we have taken equal to sign. Instead of that sign, it was showing that line parallel to x-axis, y equal to 3. So parallel to x-axis, y equal to 3 is here. 2 and between 2 and 4. Definitely we will make line this one, which is y equal to 3. And one rest thing is which that the feasible region or required region is upside or downside. So it was just by y greater than 3 now. So y greater than 3 meaning upside. But definitely it is like that. So by doing all the procedure, we have got none else but this is the common region, which is the solution of the inequalities. So this is from my side. I think it is very easy. Yeah, it's your duty only to draw all the inequalities graph or solution on single graph. Whatever the common region will be there, it is your solution. It is actually covered by all three lines. That's why it is called a bounded solution. We have a more thing, it's an unbounded solution. Okay, I will tell you when it will come. But this was just of the question, and by the question I have just tried to you to understand about this, because after understanding few questions only you can make whole exercise by your own. Okay, let's look one more question. Example number 15 I am telling you. Example number 15. We have x plus 2y less than 8. We have 2x plus y less than 8. We have x and y. Okay, now I will find the solution. So I already have taught you the method. One by one I will take the inequalities. Take x plus 2y 8, taking x plus 2y equal to 8. It is suppose first its corresponding equation I have taken. Then I'll make a, because it is carrying two variables, so I'll take the help by choosing some values of x and y and find the corresponding values of other, like when x is equal to 0, y will be 4, when y will be 0, x will be 8. Okay, for more, suppose I'm writing here taking some arbitrary point I, okay, let me draw the picture also. So this is x and y. It is x and y. This portion I am leaving for taking arbitrary point and so on. So let me take one more equation. Take x 2x plus y less than 8. Taking its suppose it is 2. Taking its corresponding equation and make a graph. X is equal to 0, y equal to 8, y equal to 0, x equal to 4. So this is all about. Now we have arranged till 8 we have to represent. So okay, now again I'll take a 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. And I'll write here on both axes 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. It's my scale. And I'm not specially writing 2, 4, 6, 8. You can understand by your own. Now let me check it out now. 0, 4. Even these two are still remaining. I will take it later. 0 and 4 is lying on a y-axis. This is my first point. And 8, 0, it's my second point here. 8, 0. And I'll make a line. Okay. This is my line. And this line is x plus 2y equal to 8. This is not sufficient. We just have to express the solution also by shaded line also. So shaded line is either upside or downside by choosing the arbitrary point. Okay, I'm taking arbitrary point here. Take the arbitrary point 0, 0. I'll choose the by 1. 0 plus 0 less than 8, which is true. And true says will choose this portion which is towards the origin point, because origin point satisfied the given inequality. Okay, now take the arbitrary point here. Take point double O by 2. We have a 0 plus 0, definitely it is again true. True meaning, oh sorry, I didn't first put the line there. Okay, let me first put the line. 0 and 8 is here, and 4 and 0 is here. So no matter at all, we'll make a line. It's very easy. Suppose it is line. It is line. This line is 2x plus y equal to 8. Now the thing is that it is either upside or downside. Meaning I took the arbitrary point. It was a true meaning towards the origin point. This region is the shaded region, required shaded region. But this is not enough. We have yet to go with x greater than 0. I taught you for that particular, you don't have to take anything or any corresponding equation. One can easily understand x greater than 0 meaning this region. X greater than 0 meaning this region. This quadrant as well as this quadrant. So I'll make this part showing x greater than 0. And this part saying x y greater than 0, sorry, and all about when we will talk about that. This is 2 4 6 8 2 4 6 8. Okay, fine. Now what is a common region? One can simply understand that this is a portion. Look at, suppose I am putting a name A O, sorry, it is O, it is suppose B, it is C. A, O, B, C. This is the common region which is called the solution of the inequalities. So this is I again I want to tell you that it is nothing new. It is very simple for one and all. One just have to take the inequality, make the shaded region and get your answer. So nothing special. Nothing special. This shaded, covered shaded, this is again, this was a bounded region because it was covered with all the lines. Okay. Now we don't have to do anything special here to make. One more question I want to express, because it is containing lots of inequalities. Let me take, suppose 14th question I'm telling you. 3x plus 2y less than 150, x plus 4y 80, x 15, x greater than and y greater than. So I'll make it short now. Solution I start with taking x 3x plus 2y less than 150. Its equation is 3x plus 2y equal to 180. As usual, I'll choose some point x and y. Suppose I'm choosing x is equal to 0 and y equal to 0. X equal to 0, y will be 90, and y will be 0, x will be 60. One important thing which I actually want to pull your attention towards the things that it is x equal to 60 and y equal to 90 is a bigger value. So that it's very important to take the scale. The scale is very important here. Okay, so I'll tell you that later. First, I want to take one more inequality, x plus 4y less than 80. Taking its inequality equation, sorry, x plus 4y equal to 80, and then I'll choose again some x and y. X and y, x equal to 0, it is 20, y equal to 0, it is 80. Now it's time to go on the graph. Look at, this is x and y, and one can simply understand one more thing, which is 15. Now can you observe all the points 15, 18, 19, 20, something like that. Now you have to decide by your own that what is the scale will be perfect. So I think 10 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 unit will be good, because still look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 80. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 80. So 10 or 1 centimeter equal to 10 unit is a good scale there. Now go on that. 0 and 90, definitely. 90 meaning it is 8, 9. One more thing want to take here, it is 0 and 90. It is 0 and 90. And 60 and 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This is 60 and 0. And just go on by by joining these 2 points, you can say it is 3x plus 2y equal to 150. It was 150. Oh, I took here 180 wrongly. Okay, no matter. Let me change it quickly. Okay, no matter. Let me change this question only. Please do by your own. I'm changing the question because I have done lots of work here. So I'm changing the question. Suppose it is 180 and I have made here 10. Just want to tell you the procedure, the method only. The rest is your work. It was 150, but wrongly I did work on 180. So that now let me change this 180 by 180 only. And the rest thing is, this is 180 suppose, and okay, the rest is okay. Now 3x plus 2y equal to 180. I took x equal to 0, y equal to 90, y equal to 0, x equal to 60. I have completed the graph. Now the rest thing is either upside or downside. My shaded region is either upside or downside. So take an arbitrary point, not by specially specified here. Simply should be done by ourselves. Like take an arbitrary point 00. Put here 0, 0 less than 180. 0 less than 180 is a true thing, meaning I'll go with the downside. This is my shaded region, required shaded, because 00 was satisfied to inequality. Now go on this 0, 20. This is 0, 20. And 80, 0. This is 80, 0. So I'll make a line here. This is a line. And for that again I'll choose the arbitrary point 00. What do you think about that 00? When I take a 00, 0 less than 18, which is again true, meaning I'll go again downside, like that. Now we have x less than 15. Look at, I'm telling you here only x less than 15. Take x less than 15. Take its inequality in equation. Sorry, x equal to 15. X equal to 15 is line parallel to y-axis, passing from the x equal to 15. So this is 10 and 20. It is a 15 parallel to y-axis and passing from that point only. This is the line x equal to 15, and x less than 15 says this time, this here. This is less than 15. You should understand this region is for x less than 15. Now the rest two things is very common. This is the meaning x greater than 0 is this line. This is x less than 0. And this is the y greater than 0. So when I'll make all the lines, so do you think that which is a perfect region? This is a small quadrilateral, you can understand. This is a perfect and ideal required region, because this x greater than 0 is this line, y greater than 0 is the upside, y x less than 15 is this line. This is particular region is coming downside for this particular, and this is again coming downside. When I will draw or pull this shaded region till half of the plane, this will definitely cover this portion. I can say that this is also containing this one. This is a perfect region. One doubt may come in your mind that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all 5 here, but it is only 1, 2, 3, 4 lines only here. But one should not forget that this line is even away from this region, but the shaded is towards that common region. So I can say that this is a common, even that when I only put a small shading there, but when I will draw till half the plane, definitely this shade will cover to this feasible region, this common region. So this is your answer. Even in throughout all the questions, I took here 180 because wrongly I took and I worked on 180. So I did change only, it was 150. You can do the work on 150. Okay, this is the whole exercise. Now it's on you, because 3 or 4 questions already have taught you. 6.3 is now on you. Tomorrow I'll put some examples and we'll finish this chapter. Thank you.